I'm going to show you how to whip up a simple yet flavorful macadamia nut cheese with just 4 ingredients. You can find the full recipe in the description below, and I'll make sure to include all of the ingredients and equipment. First, we want to soak the nuts in water with a pinch of salt for a minimum of 2 hours. This process will help me and all of my IBD friends out there digest this cheese that much more. Drain the water and dump the nuts into a food processor. Blend the macadamia nuts until they're spreadable and smooth. Add in the miso, coconut kefir, blend it up, give it a taste, and if you need to add any extra salt, you can do that right now. You can enjoy the cheese as is, or we can take it one step further to remove the moisture. All we need to do is wrap it up in cheesecloth, and we're going to tie it up with twine. I MacGyvered this together using a stick and a tall container, but use whatever you have. Just make sure that there's something underneath catching the liquid. Let it dry in the fridge overnight, and the next day we can slice into it. Thanks for watching, and if you want to see more of our content, consider subscribing to our channel and hit the bell to be notified when we post our next recipe. Until next time, we'll see you later.